A few months ago, I had to have 3 difficult conversations. I had to tell 3 people who had been working for me that I didn't need them anymore. Not because they did anything wrong, but because a $50 monthly subscription does everything they did and faster. Those 3 people were 2 coloring book designers and someone who created my Amazon A+ content. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I replaced them with, how much I'm saving, and one thing I'm now doing that could completely change how you market your coloring books on social media. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll have 2 tools and a strategy that you can go and use today. Now, before you think I'm some guy who had 3 random freelancers, let me give you a bit of context. I've been publishing on Amazon KDP since 2019. I've sold over 240,000 books across a portfolio of low and medium content books. Books like coloring books, activity books, logbooks, planners, you name it. I also run this channel called Money on the Side, where I teach people how to build a real publishing income alongside their day job. So you could say that I know what I'm talking about when it comes to this KDP business. I know what good looks like, and I know when something better comes along. So the 3 people, 2 coloring book designers and 1 A+ content creator. All 3 of them did really good work. My designers were all based in the Philippines. Fair rates, reliable output. They always delivered every time I needed. But they weren't the problem. The problem was that AI can now do what they did faster, better, and for less money. Now, let me show you what I was actually spending, because the numbers are what made this decision easy. My designers charged $6 per page. That might sound cheap, but for someone based in the Philippines, that is a fair market rate and good income for them. Designers in Europe or the US charge considerably more, but even so, $6 a page for a 40-page book, that's $240 per book. And with 2 designers running at the same time, I was spending close to $480 just to get 2 coloring books or activity books created. Every single time I wanted to release 2 books, $480 was going out of the door before I'd done anything else. Then there's A+ content. If you're not familiar, A+ content is where we can put visuals explaining what our book is about, the best features, and use emotional language to convert shoppers into customers. And this sits below your description on your Amazon product listing. It's one of the most important parts of your listing for converting browsers into buyers. Without it, your listing looks bare. And if the shopper is looking at your listing and doesn't quite know what your book is about and what they might get on the inside, they become confused. And there's a saying in marketing, a confused mind never buys. Now, I was paying someone $15 to create 4 modules of A+ content per book. That might seem like a small cost on its own, but across a large portfolio, it really starts to add up. And then there's something most KDP sellers don't even factor in: marketing assets. When you're selling a coloring book, customers want to see the pages color in before they buy. It really helps. Yes, you can showcase a plain black and white coloring page, but it doesn't help to sell the product. People want to see the colors, the style, and some inspiration into how they might actually be able to color in that page. So I was paying someone $4 per page to manually color in pages from my books to use on social media and in my A+ content. Add it all together: coloring book, activity design, A+ content, colored marketing pages, and a single coloring book, I was spending close to $275. For 2 books, that's over $550. And here's the real problem with that kind of model. Every time I wanted to scale up and produce more books, the costs scaled up at exactly the same rate. More output meant more money going out. I was also dependent on other people's schedules, waiting on designers, going back and forth, change this, change that, I don't like this is good, but this is not. This loses days in the process, and it wasn't that sustainable. Then I started testing AI tools properly, not messing around with them, actually putting them through their paces against what I was already paying for. And once I saw the quality, the decision became obvious. 2 tools now do the work of 3 people. The total monthly spend on both of these tools is $50. The first tool I use is ChatGPT, which is $20 a month. And with that $20, I can color in an unlimited number of pages from any of my coloring books. No waiting, no back and forth, no extra cost per page. And I get one colored page every 30 seconds or so. What used to take a day, briefing a designer, waiting, reviewing, requesting changes, and then waiting again, now takes half a minute. And because there's no per page cost, there's no ceiling on output. I can color an entire book's worth of pages in under an hour. But here's the detail I really like. I can tell ChatGPT exactly what style I want. So if I've got a coloring book aimed at 2 to 4 year olds, I don't want the pages looking like they've been colored by a professional graphic designer. That looks completely wrong and is a mismatch for the audience. So I tell ChatGPT to make it look like a 2-year-old colored it. Slightly outside the lines, a bit messy, bold colors, and it does exactly that. And the prompt that I use for this goes something like this. Color this page as if it's been colored by a 2-year-old. Use bold, bright colors, go outside the lines, keep it messy and fun. Do not make it look digitally perfect. Then 30 seconds later, I have exactly what I need. On the flip side, for an adult coloring book, I'd do the complete opposite. I would request neat, shaded, detailed, and precise coloring. It's a good idea to match the coloring style to your target audience every single time. And that's something even a skilled human designer would struggle with to do consistently at speed. And now, because I can produce pages so fast, I bulk produce colored pages in one session and schedule them as daily social media posts. This helps with building a brand, growing followers, and driving traffic to my Amazon listings. So you could potentially have a month's worth of content produced in a single afternoon. A 40-page book gives you 40 days of posts minimum. You can color them in different styles. You could stretch one book into months of content. And audiences love seeing the transformation from plain line art to a fully colored page. It performs really, really well. I also use ChatGPT for A+ content, but rather than starting from scratch every time I launch a new book, I've built a custom GPT. And if you don't know what that is, it's a version of ChatGPT with all my instructions permanently saved inside it. I set it up once with exactly how I want my modules to look, the sizes I use, and the style and tone I want. Now, whenever I need A+ content for a new book, I just give it the basics, and it will generate 4 module designs instantly and at the right dimensions, in the right style, ready for me to go and build. I'm not having to re-explain myself every time I launch a new title. Once it gives me the layouts and directions, I go and build the actual modules myself. But the creative thinking, the structure, the messaging, what each model should show, all of that is done for me. The actual creative thinking from getting an idea into a visual concept takes the most time, and ChatGPT does that for you instantly. So my A+ content before used to cost around $15 per book, with normally a 2 to 3 day turnaround. Now I can do as many A+ content modules as I like, which is included in my $20 subscription for ChatGPT. Yes, I choose to build the modules myself, but now I have a better quality for the layouts and structure of each module. The difference between what I can now create with the help of ChatGPT for my A+ content and what my designers produced before is a massive difference in a positive way. For actually creating the coloring book pages, I use coloringbook.ai, and this tool is a really good one. The standout feature is character consistency. All you have to do is to get the character you want. You upload an image of your character once. That might be a dinosaur, a princess, whatever your book is based around. And it will keep that character consistent across every single page. Same face, same proportions, same style, page after page. And that's very hard to achieve with a lot of AI tools where the characters shift slightly every time you generate something new. And of course, this matters more than people realize. I've come across lots of coloring books on Amazon where the pages were clearly cobbled together from different sources. Some pages have thin, detailed lines for adults. Others have thick, bold lines which would suit kids. And the character looks completely different from one page to the next. And trust me, customers will notice and they leave 1-star reviews because of it. And obviously, bad reviews kill your sales and your reputation. Coloringbook.ai avoids all of that. It has consistent stroke lines throughout. The character looks the same on every page. It really does look professional. Obviously, when it generates the images, you will have to go back and forth a few times. But the good thing is, it's instant rather than waiting a few hours or days to go back and forth with a human designer. The cost of coloringbook.ai is $30 a month. Compared to the $240 every time I needed a new book designed, the maths speaks for itself. So let's put the full picture side by side. Before, for 2 books, I was paying over $550 every single time. $480 in design, $15 in A+ content, plus additional costs for colored marketing pages. Now, per month for unlimited books, $20 for ChatGPT, $30 for coloringbook.ai, $50 in total. That is a saving of around $500 a month. And of course, it's not just about the saving. My output has increased. I produce more books per month. I have better A+ content going live faster, which helps conversions. I have a consistent stream of social media content that gets scheduled weeks in advance. Every single metric has gone up while the costs have come down. The only part of this that really doesn't feel good is knowing that 3 people have lost income because of a decision that I have made. And I'm not going to pretend that that sits easily with me. It is a shame because they all did really good work. They were professional. We built up a good rapport over the years. But this is a business, and a business has to be profitable to survive. When AI can do the same job for a fraction of the price, and in a lot of cases do it better, the numbers really do speak for themselves. And this isn't unique to me. AI is going to affect a huge number of jobs over the next 5 years. It honestly blows my mind how different the world will be in 5 years. Designers, writers, coders, anything involving repetitive computer-based tasks. All of this is changing. I didn't cause that, but I'm not going to ignore it either. I would rather adapt now than scramble later. And if you are running a KDP business, I think you should be thinking the same exact way. So 3 things to take away. First, try ChatGPT if you produce coloring books. Use it to color in your pages and use them for marketing, and it will help to build your brand and to get more eyes on your books. The saving is immediate and the quality is genuinely good. Second, if you're creating coloring books, look at coloringbook.ai. The character consistency feature alone is worth the $30. Third, build a custom ChatGPT for your most repeated content tasks. Set it up once and you don't have to spend time repeating instructions every single time you do a repetitive task. This will make you more efficient and increase your output. If you got any value from this video, please do subscribe. I post regularly about KDP, building income on the side, and the tools and strategy actually working in my business right now. Hit subscribe so you don't miss them. See you in the next one. Take care.